So welcome back to this channel, Ashelebel at Fatolan Academy, where we teach and learn mathematics together. So we have started the word problem of set theory. So we have done the first example. If you have not watched it, please, I will leave the link in the description box. Make sure you watch it before you join us here. Example 2. A survey was carried out on 40 travelers. 12 of the travelers said they had traveled to Ghana but not Cameroon before. 8 travelers claimed that they had traveled to Cameroon but not to Ghana before. 10 of the travelers said they had not traveled to any of the two countries before. Draw the Venn diagram to find 1. The number of travelers that had traveled to both countries before. Number 2. The number of travelers that had traveled to Ghana before. Now, the first thing is that you have to understand the question very well. You can see that from this question, the number of the universal sets is 40. So, the total number of those that has traveled were given to be 40. And 12 of travelers said they had traveled to Ghana but not Cameroon before. So, those that had traveled to only Ghana, that's the meaning. Only Ghana but not Cameroon were given to be 12 travelers. And 8 travelers claimed that they had traveled to Cameroon but not Ghana before. So those that have traveled to only Cameroon but they have never gone to Ghana before. That's the meaning. So they were 8. 10 of the travelers said they had traveled to 10 of the travelers said they had not traveled to any of the country before. So those that have never traveled to Ghana and Cameroon were 10 out of 40. Now, they have to draw the Venn diagram to find the number of travelers that had traveled to both countries and the number of travelers that had traveled to Ghana before. So solution now. The first thing that we have to do is that we have to represent those keywords there, that is Ghana and Cameroon. So let's use G to represent Ghana and C to represent Cameroon. So the number of all the travelers, that's the cardinality of universal set, were given to be 40. So we do not know those that have traveled to Ghana, that is those that have traveled to Ghana only, plus those that have traveled to both countries. So we were not given those that have traveled to Cameroon. Those that have traveled to Cameroon will be those that have traveled to Cameroon only, plus those that have traveled to Cameroon and Ghana. So those that have traveled to Ghana only, that's the cardinality of G intersect C prime, were given to be 12. That's those that have traveled to Ghana only. Ghana only, but not Cameroon. So those that have traveled to Ghana only, that's the meaning. And those that have traveled to Cameroon only, this is it. Cameroon only. They have never been to Ghana before. So this is this one. So those that have not traveled to any of the country were given to be 10. And those that that traveled to both Ghana and Cameroon, we were not given. So we were asked to find it. So we can represent this one to be equal to x and represent, because they asked us to find this one as well. So let's represent this one to be equal to y. So if they asked us to find this one, we can represent this one to be equal to z. So the next thing is that we have to represent everything inside the Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagram. Everything inside this rectangle, everything inside this rectangle will be for universal sets. Now, this side means those that have traveled to Cameroon only, and this place at the middle represent those that have traveled to both Ghana and Cameroon. And outside here will be those that have not traveled to any of the two countries. So from what we represented here before, we can see that this is Ghana only, that is Ghana but not Cameroon, and it is this place. So that is 12. And Cameroon only, Cameroon but not Ghana, that is Cameroon doesn't have anything to do with Ghana at all. That is 8. That is Cameroon only. This place is Cameroon only. This place is Ghana only. Those that have traveled to Ghana only. They do not have anything to do with Cameroon. They have never, this is their border. Let's say that this is the border. So they have never reached this place. Those that have traveled to Ghana only. So for Cameroon only, let's say this is the border here. So that means they have never reached this place at all. Let's alone they move to Ghana. So they've only been to Cameroon only. This place they only been to Ghana only. So, but those that have traveled to both countries will be at the middle, and that is coordinate of G intersect C, which we want to find out. We have represented it to be X. So let's write X. So write X there. So those that have not traveled to any of the two countries, this is it. That is the coordinate of G union C. Close the brackets, then you put prime there. They were given to be 10. So this place, you can write it anywhere. You can write it there, you can write it there, you can write it there, any place. But let's write it there. Now, that is that. So, in the first video, I showed us how to represent the coordinate of universal sets. So this the coordinate of universal set consists of coordinate of Ghana but not Cameroon, that is Ghana only, plus coordinate of Ghana intersects Cameroon, that is both that have traveled to both countries, plus coordinate of Cameroon but not Ghana, Cameroon only, plus coordinate of those that have not traveled to any of the country. So let's substitute their value there now. Here, the coordinate of universal sets is equal to 40, is equal to coordinate those that have traveled to Ghana only is 12. So those that have traveled to both countries, we represented it to be equal to X. And those that have traveled to Cameroon only, 8. Those that have not traveled to both countries, any of the countries, is equal to 10. So let's add and simplify. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 plus X. We want to make X the subject of the formula. That means we have to subtract 30 from both sides. So 30 minus 30 is equal to 30 minus 30 plus X. So this one cancels out. We have 10 to be equal to X. So therefore, those that have traveled to both countries is equal to 10. So that is number 1. So number 2, we were asked to find those that have traveled to Ghana. And those that have traveled to Ghana will be this circle, this blue circle. Those that have been to Ghana. Those that will be those that have been to Ghana only, plus those that have been to Ghana and Cameroon. So coordinate of Ghana will now be equal to coordinate of Ghana but not Cameroon, plus coordinate of Ghana intersects Cameroon. So if you don't know this one, we have represented it to be equal to Y. Will be equal to the coordinate of those that have been to Ghana only. Let's check. Those that have been to Ghana only were 12, plus we got those that have been to the two countries to be equal to 10. So you write that one also. So this Y will be equal to 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. So therefore, those that have been to Ghana is equal to 22. And that is that. So please make sure you watch, make sure you understand everything. You take note of everything that I've said. So if you have any question, you can leave it for me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please make sure you like. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. So till I see you in the next video, thank you and God bless.